Hi, little readers. Welcome back. I'm Miss Ching, and we're going to do some phonics today. Okay, so today we're not going to do any more single letter sounds. Why? Because I know that you know all of them. Here they are. You know all of them. Am I right? Yes, I think I am. Now we're going to deal with digraphs. What are digraphs, you say? Yes, digraphs are 2 letters, 1 sound. Say it with me. 2 letters, 1 sound. And when these 2 letters come together, they make another sound. For example, our digraph today is A and I together, but they don't say A-I, they say A. A. Got it? Okay, say it. A. A. And the action of A is your hand cupping the back of your ear like you're listening to something. A. Do it? Okay, so are you ready to sing it? Okay, let's do this.
My ear hurt, I was in pain.
A.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
A. Good job. Okay, now let's look at some words that have A in them. Okay? With this one, we are going to start using sound dots. For every sound dot that you see, it means it's 1 sound. Okay? So, A has only 1 sound dot, even if there are 2 letters, because they have only 1 sound. Now, let's look at this one. P, A, O. Again. P, A, O. What is it? Pail. Nice one. Now, let's try another one. A, R. A, R. What is it? Right, it's hair. And then, now, we have W, A, T. Can you do it? W, A, T. So what does it spell? Wait. Well done. So now it's your turn to read, because now you know how to use the sound dots. I'll just wait for you to tell me what the word is, okay? So I'll do 2 examples with you before you work on your own, okay? First word is R, A, N. One more time. R, A, N. What is it? Can I hear you? You're right, it's rain. Rain. Now let's have another one, a longer one. More letter sounds, okay? First is S, N, A, O. S, N, A, O. What does it say? You're right, it's snail. Well done. Now let's try something else. What about B, R, A, N? Now you sound it out yourself. Well done. And what's the word? Did you get it? It's brain. Awesome if you did. This time, you work on your own. Produce the sound, I'll help you make the actions. Ready? Okay, so let's start with what did you think it was? You're right, sail. Sail. Now let's have a longer word, okay? So, did you get it? Braid. Braid. Okay, now let's have another one. Okay? Can you read it? What is it? You're right, it's jail. Jail. Okay, what about it's paint. Paint. And one more. What is it? Made. Made. Well done. Now, I'll teach you a rap that we can do every time we learn about digraphs. Are you ready? Go. Digraphs, digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So, we'll start our next video with our Digraph Rap, okay? Learn it and say it with me. I'll see you in the next digraph. Bye!